If you are running an online business, then this video is for you because I really want to give you something that you have been missing. Now, let's assume you are running an offline business. You have a shop where you pack your products and you are running the business. If you do not make a sale today, will you stop from opening tomorrow? The answer is no, right? Nobody who is into business stops selling because yesterday they didn't sell. I mean, I also have an offline business. It is not always the same. The sales are never the same. There are days where you are not going to sell because most offline businesses comes in seasons. So when you are off season, what do you do? Do you stop your business because you are not in season? No, you keep opening every day, hoping that you get to season and make more sales, right? Yes, but you that is on the internet, you are running a business on the internet, and the only reason why you stopped running that business is because you created the content today and nobody bought what you are selling, and you created tomorrow, nobody bought. So in the next 3 days you stopped creating content because you feel that nobody is buying. Now, how long do you think it takes to make money on the internet? Some of you feel that the money that is made on the internet is a magic. So you are just in a haste. You want to just make the money and get out. But that's not how it is. On the internet, money made from the internet is not a different kind of money. It is the same money that is made offline. The only advantage you have is that you can reach more people than those who have a physical shop. And even those who have a physical shop currently are now running adverts on the internet to connect more people who will come to their physical shop. Now, you that is on the internet, the best you can do is to keep creating content about the business you do. With time, you are going to accumulate a lot of people who are going to buy the product you're selling. And you also have an advantage of running ads. So let me tell you something I learned from Brian Tracy recently. He said that before you can decide whether your business is moving, there are many things you do. One of them is prospecting. Now, when you are doing prospecting, you are generating leads, you are bringing people. That is where adverts come in. You must be running adverts consistently if you want your business to continue to grow. So you must be running ads. That is one. Prospecting. The second thing you are going to be doing is very, very important, and that is building a rapport. You must be building a good relationship with those people that you're bringing to your DM or to your email list or anywhere you're doing it. You must have a good relationship with them. Do you understand? And there's no way to do it without creating content. Yes, content creation is the way to connect with these people. And then the third thing you must do is to identify their need. One of the things you should understand is that not everybody that comes to your email list or your WhatsApp DM is interested in the things you do. They just come to watch and see how you do it, whether it's true or not. So you must be able to identify those who are really in need of the thing you're selling. That is number 3. Then the fourth one is to bring a solution. Bring a solution to the problem you have identified. That need you have identified, bring a solution. And the solution should be your product. Do you understand? Now, when you have done this fourth thing, that is when you talk of closing a sale. The problem is that most of us, we do not even do any of these things, and we do not even build rapport. We just bring people to our DM and boom, we want to sell to them. At the end of the day, you are crying, you don't have sales, and you want to give up. Well, you can give up because, seriously speaking, once you give up, you are replaced. Nobody cares about you. So you need to be here and really be you and keep working. Because yes, result doesn't come in 90 days. Trust me. I know a lot of people told you that you get results in 90 days. You can, but it doesn't always come in 90 days. Keep working. There are time and season for this thing. And if you don't give up, you're going to make that so much sale you have been looking for. And I know this video is helpful. Give it a like and share it to that small business owner on the internet, especially affiliate marketers who have been looking for a way to make so much money. These are the 5 things they should do to always know that they are on the right track.